Our state police ensured that the crime, law and order situation in the state remained under control. This is reflected in crime detection rate, which is 85.83, and seizure of 159.17 kgs of drugs worth rupees 396 lakh under NDPS Act during the current financial year up to November 2023. The state police is making sincere efforts to make available safe driving environment. Special drives to rein the drunken driving and overspeeding have been launched by the traffic police. A total of 5,19,443 traffic violation cases under Motor Vehicles Act have been booked, and fine of rupees 34 crore have been collected during the current financial year up to November 2000 by the police and transport departments. The firefighters have shown commendable courage and dedication in their duties. During the current financial year up to October 2023, the fire and emergency services have collectively attended by 5,527 calls, during which 87 human lives and 29 animal lives were saved. Due to timely action of the firefighters, property worth rupees 19.47 crore have been saved or salvaged.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.